Hey guys, so in this video I'll tell you how to apply the absolute sign, the dollar sign shortcut in your Mac. So in Windows laptop you just press F4 for shortcut of the dollar for absolute reference. But in Mac you just need to apply function and F4. So for example here I want to apply VLOOKUP. So VLOOKUP, search keys here, then select the range here. Then for here to apply the absolute reference, press function and F4. Okay, so instead of only the F4, press function and F4. That will lock your cells, that will refer to the absolute reference. Okay, so after that just pick comma and press 2 and true, false, then 0. Okay, so here you'll see the data appearing. You'll see like this, and in the formula also if you see dollar sign, so for that you just need to press function and F4. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.